Guys, back with another video. This one I'm going to be showing you how to build an AI voice agent for practically anything. So any service like chiropractors, med spas, dentists, car dealerships, anywhere where they need a receptionist. Or you can even use this for agents, for like coaches or anything like that. So start off with using Go High Level, come into voice AI agents, and you'll need to name your agent. Obviously, I've just named it here, chiropractor AI agent. You need your business name, and you also need to pick a voice. So whatever you are, say I'm targeting obviously people in the UK, so I'm obviously going to use a British voice. But if you're in America, or I think there's Australia here as well, you'll use them. We've got your time zone, and then you've also got the initial message. So when it picks up the phone, it's going to say this message here. So mine is, "Hey, it's Natalie from Alignwell Chiropractic. How can I help you today?" So that's just the basic stuff. So always make sure you're saving everything as well. And then might take a little sec. But then we have the agent goals. So now here I'm going to give you the free prompt. So if you go in the description of this video, the prompt will be here. But if you can't access it for some reason, then you can just pause the video and just go through these. But I would not say just to use this. And this is where ChatGPT comes in, because here we have the prompt guidelines of how this is a Go High Level prompt of what you should do when prompting your AI agents or your conversation AI. So what we're actually going to do is just copy all of this, because a lot of people complain at the fact that their AI isn't doing what it wants to, but realistically, a lot of the time it's always just a prompt that's wrong. So if we come into ChatGPT and we paste this in, and then we say, as you can see, we've written, so we've copy and pasted all of the training in through the Go High Level prompt, prompt in AI. So then we'll say, this is all the training you need to train my AI voice agent. I work with, and then insert your niche, so chiropractors, whoever you work with. And here's an example of a script I already have. And then this is where we copy and paste this script in. And then, so now we've got our improved version. So I wouldn't advise just straight copy and pasting this to then. You should go over, have a look at what you've got now. So just to go back up and recap, we've put the AI prompt in from Go High Level, the how you can make it as best as you can, and then we've also gave it the prompt that I've given you. It's not that good of a prompt, and that's why we've told ChatGPT to make it better. It's just so it's got a framework, something it can work off. So this one, it had emojis and we don't want any emojis, so we got rid of them. And then now you've got everything you need. So if we come back into the AI voice agent here, so you have about 1,600 words, something like that, to train it, and that's more than enough. So just make sure you're just going over always training, and it's just trial and error really with this. So now we have our setup actions. So call transfer. So this is just an example for, say if someone is upset, like they want to speak to a manager. So if a customer expresses anger, wants to speak to the manager or owner, this is when should the call transfer take place, and what to say before transferring the call. You can say something like, "I'm going to transfer the call to someone. If no one answers, then I'll try and call back later," or something like that. You've got trigger workflows here, but I don't use any of that, because I think a lot of the time when you're going to trigger a workflow is to send an SMS, and we already have that here. So update contact fields. So we've got, so when someone gives you their name, obviously you've got your CRM inside of Go High Level. So this is just going to give them their name, their last name, their email inside your CRM. And then we also have send SMS. So the AI agent cannot directly book appointments yet. It will have to send an SMS. So when someone wants to book an appointment, this is gonna be the message. Please pick a slot that can suit you, and then you're gonna send the calendar of where they can book an appointment, and this should only take place when the caller asks to book an appointment. So what you should tell it to say before sending the SMS is just something like, "I've got it. If you don't mind, I'm going to send you our calendar via SMS." So, and then we also have phone and availability. So you're gonna have to buy a phone number from Go High Level. It's really cheap. It's only like $1, if that. So here we have enable the AI agent as a backup to the phone number. So it's either the agent will answer all the calls directly, or it will only answer if the user or the call forwarding number doesn't respond. And I wouldn't even say you can set working hours for the agent, but I don't know why you wouldn't just want to have it working 24/7. So, and then you also have the call logs here. So to actually test this now, we're going to test it, and I'm going to have a conversation with it. Okay, so now I'm actually going to call this, and I'm going to speak to it and test it. So
Hey, it's Natalie from Alignwell Chiropractic. How can I help you today?
I was just wondering, it's going to be my first chiropractor appointment, so what can I expect?
Oh, exciting. For your first chiropractic appointment, you can expect a full assessment. We'll look at your posture and spinal alignment to understand any issues you might have. It's all about getting to know what your body needs so we can create a personalized plan for you. Most people feel more at ease after their first session. Do you have any specific concerns or questions about the process?
Yeah, not really. I mean, I've seen a few people, have a few complaints with chiropractors before. So how do I know you're the right ones? Hello?
I totally get. Hey there. I totally get where you're coming from. It's normal to have some doubt. Our team focuses on getting to the root cause of issues, not just short-term relief. We've helped many people feel better and move more freely. If you're curious, we can set up an insight package session to see how we can help you specifically. What do you think?
Well, I want to book an appointment. How do I book an appointment?
Got it. If you don't mind, I'm going to send you our calendar via SMS, so you can pick a time that suits you best.
Then, as you can
How does that
see,
sound?
it sent me an appointment link via SMS. So there we are. As you can see, we've also got the phone logs here, so you can track how long they are. I think you can even see the transcripts. Yeah. So, but I'm also going to show you how you can scrape leads now with even with ChatGPT. So we're going to be using a platform called Appify. So come over when you've logged into Appify, come over to Actors and search. Actually, come over to Store, and then here it is: Google Maps email extractor. And I'll move myself, but you get a free usage of $5. So I'll come over to this, and then we can copy and paste. This is a JSON code, so we can copy and paste this. And let's say I wanted to go into ChatGPT, and I'll create a new GPT. So we can say something like, I want to search for 300. Put the JSON code in and say I want to search for 300 chiropractors in London, UK. Sort this JSON code for me. And now, there we go. I'm just copy and paste this when it's done it, and then copy and paste it into the JSON code. here, and then you'd import that, and then you'd come down to save and start. But obviously, I've used all my free usage, so I can't. And then once it's run, so I've run it before, and you can export these results into a CSV and put them into a Google Sheet. So there we go, just a quick video how you can set up a quick AI voice agent within like 10-15 minutes. Got a lot of value from this video, and book a call with me in the link description.